Hello Keystone Investors, welcome back to another video. Today we're tackling a topic that's been making waves not just in the financial world, but also in our schools and universities. Cryptocurrencies and their role in modern education systems. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are cryptocurrencies? In simple terms, they are digital or virtual forms of money. Imagine having a coin that's not physical but digital and uses complex codes to secure transactions. That's what cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are. But here's where it gets really interesting. These digital currencies are not just about buying and selling goods online. They are starting to play a significant role in education. For instance, some universities are now accepting cryptocurrencies as payment for tuition fees. There are also educational programs that teach students about blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies. But why should this matter to you, especially if you're a parent or a grandparent? Well, as our children and grandchildren navigate a world that's becoming more digital, understanding these new technologies can help us guide them. It's like when the internet first started. Those who understood it early on were able to adapt and thrive in the new digital age. So in this video, we're going to demystify cryptocurrencies and explore their role in modern education systems. By the end of the video, you'll not only understand what cryptocurrencies are, but also how they're influencing the way our children learn and prepare for their future. So let's start with the basics. What exactly are cryptocurrencies? At their core, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual forms of money. They exist online and use cryptography, which is a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format known as ciphertext. This helps to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Now, one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of different cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have been created. Cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. It's decentralized, meaning that it's not controlled by a single entity like the bank or a government. This decentralization is one of the key features that makes cryptocurrencies unique. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does that have to do with me? Well, since their creation, cryptocurrencies have been steadily gaining acceptance in various sectors. They're not just for tech enthusiasts anymore. Businesses, large and small, are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. Even some governments are exploring the use of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology for various purposes. But it's not just businesses and the government sectors that are embracing cryptocurrencies. They're also making their way into our education systems. One of the most direct ways cryptocurrencies are entering the education sector is through payment systems. Some universities around the world are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment for tuition and other fees. This is particularly beneficial for international students, who often have to deal with high foreign exchange rates and banking fees. With cryptocurrencies, they can make payments directly, quickly, and sometimes with lower transaction costs. But the influence of cryptocurrencies in education goes beyond just payments. They're also being used as a tool for teaching and learning. Some schools and universities are introducing courses on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. These courses aim to equip students with knowledge about these emerging technologies, fostering digital literacy and preparing them for future financial systems that might be heavily influenced by cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are also fostering innovation in educational infrastructures. For instance, blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is being explored for its potential to create secure, immutable records of academic credentials. This could make verifying educational qualifications easier and more transparent. The integration of cryptocurrencies into education systems is a clear indication of their growing influence. As these digital currencies become more mainstream, understanding them and their potential applications in various sectors, including education, becomes increasingly important. So whether you're a parent, a student, or just a lifelong learner, gaining a grasp on this topic could be incredibly beneficial. Now, to better understand the role of cryptocurrencies in education, let's look at some real-world examples. One notable instance is the University of Nicosia in Cyprus. Back in 2013, it's become the first university in the world to accept Bitcoin for tuition payments. But they didn't stop there. The university also offers a master's degree in digital currency, aiming to prepare students for a future where digital currencies are a standard form of payment. Across the Atlantic, in the United States, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, has also been a pioneer in this space. In 2014, the MIT Bitcoin Club provided each undergraduate student with $100 worth of Bitcoin as part of a study to understand how students would use the digital currency. The initiative not only fostered digital literacy among students, but also spurred a number of Bitcoin-related projects and startups on campus. Now, these examples highlight the growing recognition of cryptocurrencies in the education sector. By accepting cryptocurrencies as payment and offering courses on the subject, educational institutions are not only acknowledging the importance of digital currencies, but also preparing their students for a future where these currencies might be a commonplace. These initiatives have also had various impacts. For students, they offer an opportunity to gain first-hand experience with cryptocurrencies. For institutions, they position them as the forefront of technological innovation, potentially attracting forward-thinking students and staff. Now, as we look towards the future, the role of cryptocurrencies in education is likely to grow. But what might this look like? And what challenges and opportunities could arise? One potential development is the increased use of cryptocurrencies for payments within the education sector. As more institutions recognize the benefits of cryptocurrencies, such as lower transaction fees and faster processing times, we could see more schools and universities accepting digital currencies for tuition and other fees. Another potential development is the integration of cryptocurrency and blockchain education across various disciplines. As these technologies continue to influence different sectors, there will be a growing need for professionals who understand them. This could lead to more courses on cryptocurrencies, not just in computer science or finance departments, but also in fields like law, business, and even humanities. However, these developments also come with challenges. For one, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies could pose a risk for institutions that accept them as payment. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving, which could impact their use in the educational sector. But despite these challenges, the opportunities are significant. For students, learning about cryptocurrencies could provide them with valuable skills for the future job market. For educators, teaching about these technologies could foster critical thinking and digital literacy. And for institutions, embracing cryptocurrencies could position them as leaders in innovation. As we navigate this new frontier, it's crucial for all stakeholders, students, educators, parents, and policymakers to stay informed and engaged. This will not only help us seize the opportunities, but also address the challenges effectively. And even if you're not directly involved in education, understanding this topic could give you a broader perspective on the impact of cryptocurrencies. After all, education is a fundamental part of our society, and changes in this sector could have far-reaching implications. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it enlightening, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the world of finance and technology. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.